Hi everybody, welcome to video number 2. If you haven't watched video number 1, please go check that out because these videos are going to build upon each other. And remember, at some point in these videos when they become too advanced and you feel like it's too much of a challenge, take your time. Go back to videos number 1 and 2 at any point to make sure that you are building ease at the heart of your brass playing. So in video number 2, we are simply going to do what we did in video number 1 and release the aperture setter. You know, maybe you've heard this little thing that says, we don't buzz our lips, and that made my head spin a little bit. And what that means is that we don't actually do things to our lips to make them buzz. It's the airstream that makes them buzz. That's what we're going to experience here in video 2, just like this. Set up like in video 1. Reapply it. I don't care what note you get. In fact, it's really important that whatever note you get first is a good indication of that's what's most natural for you. So in the following videos, I want you to start with that. Start with what's natural and try to bring that ease, that focus, if you will. Focus can be a natural disposition and something you work for. That's what we're trying to discover with the embouchure. So I just want to make it clear that we are not forcing the buzz to happen. We are simply going from a gentle seal around here, removing that and letting a buzz naturally happen. Don't be worried about where the buzz happens. It's really important that you stick with that for a while to make sure that that's comfortable for you, because your natural disposition is really important in your brass playing. And lastly, wherever that note is that you start, don't even worry about where it is on the piano. I want you to repeat that several times. So for myself, even if it's shaky like that, I'm trying to minimize how I'm getting it. If it's shaky, that's good because it's easy and I'm not forcing. I will find control after time. So repeat this maybe 5 to 10 times, simply breathing in, setting, creating a seal, releasing, and finding ease in the body, because you probably have a lot of experience of bringing tension into the buzz like this. We don't want any of that kind of excessive force. So the difference is this, which is extremely exhausting, versus this. That's going to be plenty loud. Okay? So go on to video number 3 for more developmental tools.